Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to watch Chief game tonight. So if you want to watch Chief game or Chief versus Charger in your laptop or in your mobile, so I am going to show you a website on which you can easily watch Chief game. So what you have to do is, first of all, just open your Google Chrome account, and here you have to just search for watch Chief game and just click on, then just search for it. And now here you will see many options. Now what you have to do is just click on this watch Chief versus Charger game live, and here you will see where I can watch. Here you will see CBS is the channel on which you can watch live Chief versus Charger, but here is a website on which you can easily watch Chief. Just click on it, and now here you will see how to watch this and what to know, and just scroll down. Now when the game is live, so you can watch just on this website. Just bookmark this website cbssports.com, and you can watch on this website. So like this you can watch live Chief game live on your laptop or your phone. So